In an era where precise timekeeping matters more than ever, for typists meeting deadlines, gamers syncing raids, or frequent travelers hopping time zones, atomic watches are seeing a surge in demand. These watches promise never wrong time, minimal maintenance, and long-lasting build quality.
List number 1. Casio Men's WV58A1A VCR Wave Scepter Black Resin Band Digital Watch. The Casio WV58A1A VCR Wave Scepter Black Resin Band Digital Watch offers a robust, no-frills introduction to atomic or radio-controlled timepieces. As a full digital watch from the iconic Wave Scepter line, it keeps time synchronized automatically via radio signals, so you never need to reset the clock even when daylight saving shifts or time zones change. Time Access Store +1. One of the major strengths of this watch is its dependability and simplicity. The resin case and band keep the weight down, making it light on the wrist despite being tough enough for everyday wear. A 50-meter water resistance rating covers most daily exposure like rain or hand washing, though it's not built for deep diving. The full digital display delivers all essential information: time, date, alarm, and world time in a clear, glanceable format. The built-in calendar is auto-adjusting, so leap years or month-length changes are handled automatically, a big plus for anyone who hates manual adjustments. Time Access Store. On the downside, the all-digital style and resin build give it a more utilitarian, less premium watch feel compared to metal or solar models. If you value rugged simplicity and maximum functionality over luxury finish, though, this WV58A model is a solid, budget-friendly entry into atomic watch ownership, especially for daily use, commuting, or work environments.
List number 2. Casio Wave Scepter Men's Quartz Illuminator Alarm Chronograph Watch, Black. While you didn't provide a specific model number for this version, the general Wave Scepter Quartz Illuminator Alarm Chronograph from Casio inherits all the core atomic watch advantages: radio signal synchronization, quartz accuracy, and often a digital plus analog layout. These watches are typically equipped with an alarm, chronograph, world time, and backlight, making them versatile for daily use, travel, and work. Time Access Store +1. The appeal of this type of watch lies in the balance between functionality and simplicity. The chronograph and alarm add useful features for tasks that require timing like workouts or cooking, while the illuminator backlight ensures readability in low light conditions. The quartz movement, combined with radio sync, delivers precise timekeeping with minimal drift even in areas where radio signal is sporadic, in which case the watch defaults to standard quartz accuracy. Wikipedia +1. On the downside, without a solar panel, battery replacement will eventually be necessary. Also, depending on the exact build, the strap or band material might be more utilitarian, resin or fabric. So if you want a dressier or more premium feel, you might find it lacking. Overall though, this model is a dependable choice for anyone who wants radio-controlled accuracy plus extra utility, chronograph, alarms, and timers, in a modest price bracket.
List number 3. Atomic Talking Watch, large LCD, easy to read, for visually impaired or seniors. Atomic watches designed with large display LCD and talking functions are a niche but important category, especially for visually impaired users or seniors who struggle with small dials. These models combine radio-controlled time sync with oversized numerals and often audio output when a button is pressed, making them far easier to read than standard analog or small digit watches. The main advantage is accessibility. With a large display and optional talking function, this watch removes many barriers for those who have difficulty reading regular watch faces. Because it still synchronizes to atomic clock radio signals, You get absolute accuracy and automatic daylight saving or time zone adjustments, so there's no fiddling with settings or worry about being off by minutes. Such watches tend to compromise on style and build. Many are plastic or resin with a utilitarian rather than premium feel. Water resistance may also be limited compared to higher-end stainless steel models. Additionally, if you live in a region where the watch's radio signal stations don't broadcast, the atomic syncing will not work, and you'll be left with regular quartz accuracy. As explained by enthusiasts of the Casio Wave Scepter line, these radio watches rely on external time signal transmitters, and outside coverage areas, they revert to standard quartz timing. Sindark.com. +1.
List number 4. Casio Wave Scepter Tough Solar Multiband 6 Men's Watch, WVA M630B-3AJF. The Casio Wave Scepter WVA M630B-3AJF Tough Solar Atomic Watch is widely regarded as one of the best set-and-forget watches out there. A strong all-arounder combining solar power, atomic accuracy, and modern features in a lightweight, wrist-friendly package. What makes this watch stand out? It's equipped with multiband 6, meaning it can receive atomic clock radio signals from up to 6 transmitters worldwide. If you're traveling or living in a supported region, this watch will automatically keep itself accurate, even adjusting for daylight saving or time zone changes. Additionally, with tough solar technology, it harnesses both natural and artificial light to recharge, so you rarely, if ever, need battery replacements. The watch supports world time, 29+ cities, stopwatch, countdown timer, multiple alarms, full auto calendar, even leap years, LED backlight, and a power-saving mode, delivering features you'd expect from a modern smartwatch without the fragility or short battery life. As for physical quality, the case is modestly sized and light, about 42mm diameter, thin profile, and the build combines stainless steel and resin for durability without weight. Water resistance is decent, enough for sweat, rain, light swimming, or everyday use, though not deep diving.
List number 5. Casio WVA M640TD-2AJF Titanium Radio Solar Watch. The Casio WVA M640TD-2AJF Titanium Radio Solar Watch targets buyers who want atomic timekeeping and solar power, but with a more premium, durable, and lightweight build thanks to its titanium body. Titanium offers superior strength-to-weight ratio compared to resin or basic stainless steel, making this watch both rugged and comfortable for daily wear. Like other atomic models, it uses radio signals to sync with atomic clocks, giving you perfect time, automatically updating for daylight saving and time zone shifts. The solar charging system makes battery changes unnecessary, and it draws power even from indoor light, ensuring consistent operation. Because titanium is naturally hypoallergenic and more scratch-resistant than many metals, this watch holds up well to everyday wear and tear, ideal if you want something that looks good for years without frequent polishing or maintenance. The classic analog digital design usually features world time, alarm, calendar, and backlight, covering all essential functions while staying relatively low profile.